Hi Libra, it's Mary with Seer. This is your Valentine's message, your Valentine's love message for February 2020. So, we're going to start with the enchanted map. I just want to thank you for your likes, your shares, your subscriptions, and comments, those who have booked readings with me and donated, and those who have bought me coffee, because I love coffee. So don't forget, I have my website if you want to book a reading. I also have subscriptions over there. If you subscribe, you can get like 30% off a monthly reading. If you want one every month, it gives you like, instead of 65 for an hour reading, it's 40. So it's a good deal. I think it is. So check it out. There's also baby bracelets over there. I'm still rebuilding it because I put all new products up. So I'm like a one-woman show. Anyway, enough of that. Thank you. Any information you need is in the description box. I have Valentine's gifts over there too. So, unexpected visitors is the card that we pulled. This is going to be the basis of your reading. So this is about, our lives are going along, chugging along. We have a plan. And then stuff happens, like this wrench gets thrown in and something takes us off our path. And we're going, why did that happen? And there's all this turmoil and all this stuff that happens. But it's for a reason. It's because we're being redirected. So, I wasn't going to read that, but for some reason I'm being told I better read that for you. If you expect the unexpected, you will prepare for miracles. Detours, surprises, and paradigm shifts. Expect the unexpected. No matter how detailed your plans are, and how clear you believe the road ahead is to be, there are times when the best laid plans are changed. But let's start over. Sorry. No matter how detailed your plans are and how clear you believe the road ahead to be, there are times when the best plans are waylaid by unforeseen circumstances. It's worded strange, so that's my problem I had. At first, detours may seem inconvenient, but a surprise turn of events signals that an adventure of life is beginning to get interesting. No one can plan for synchronicity or fate and destiny to meet except Spirit, who knows what you can't comprehend for now. Life is full of surprises, so stay on your toes and enjoy this exciting new adventure you were not expecting. There is a plan for your life that may not match up with your agenda. It's kind of like sit back and hang on, because it's just getting started. And really, all you can do is just go with the flow. Yeah, I know, it's not what you expected for a Valentine message, right? Okay. So that's the basis of your reading for Valentine's. Now let's get into some details. I got to take off my sweater just a moment. Okay. I don't think that King of Cups applies. Kind of felt it, but didn't feel like it should be pulled for some reason. So that's a 5. A number 5 is about change and kind of a little bit turmoil. If you think of the 5s, like 5 of Wands is chaos, 5 of Swords is ego and kind of battling like that. 5 of Cups is regret and loss. So that being a 5, it's like turmoil. That's kind of the way 5s, like Five of Pentacles is like being shut out, being left outside. Here's a Four of Cups. So, Four of Cups reversed is about starting to see what we didn't see in the past, okay? Next card is Justice. Somehow, well, this is your card. This is being in your power. Not only that, when I see Justice, that means that maybe some scales are going to get balanced here, but it's going to come in unexpected ways. Okay, then we have the Devil. So that's about well, this is about obsession and, lower vibrations, those kind of activities that are lower vibrations. Justice about that. Hermit. Hermit reversed is somebody that doesn't want to see. Sorry. My throat. Hermit reversed is somebody that doesn't want to see the truth, or doesn't want to incorporate the truth, doesn't want to incorporate the lessons. Let me get one more card. The Star. But it's time. The divine timing is coming in. Okay, I can see what's going on. So, there's an unfair situation here. There's an unfair situation where somebody doesn't want to change. Somebody doesn't want to, and we all have that. Somebody doesn't want to come to terms with what either they've been doing or what's been going on around them. Okay. Maybe they don't want to see it, but now it's undeniable. They can't help but see it. And I don't know if that's you, Libra, or somebody you're dealing with, but justice is coming in. I don't know. The courts are actually coming in, but you're coming in. Somebody's coming in. And this is unexpected. There's a shift that happens. Something happens, some kind of chaos, some kind of something happens where it's unavoidable. It's unavoidable. The truth is unavoidable. I don't have the truth card, but I have justice. And it's about the timing. This was the perfect time for whatever it is to happen. Okay? Wow. Where are we at? 7 minutes. Let's, yeah. Okay, I'm just going to keep with these cards because they're vibrating well. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just get a couple more cards on the Devil. Nine of Wands. Okay, so this is not being able to fight to protect this anymore. Whatever this energy is, to protect this energy. To protect it. Yeah, it's an energy. Seven of Swords, catching somebody in the truth. Whatever happened is revealing this. And that's where the justice is coming in. It's like, hey, this is it. What are you going to do? Okay. But it was the right time for somebody to see it. Otherwise, because before they couldn't see it before. They just couldn't see it. But there's hope. This brings hope because it balances the scales. It brings hope because maybe somebody thought it would never change. It would never get better. Okay. Here's the King of Cups again. It was on the bottom. Okay, so it's supposed to come out. So this is somebody that could be they drink a lot. Is a masculine energy. Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. Doesn't have to be. King of Cups. Somebody that drinks or indulges because they're avoiding their own emotional imbalance, and it only makes it worse. So that's where it looks like that this could be tied to this. So, when we have the King of Cups reversed, it's usually somebody that drinks a lot. It doesn't have to be, but it's at least escaping somehow. And all of this, the behavior that's coming out, either the past behavior, but it feels like it's a past and current. It feels like it's both. That I'm not sure if the obsession happened before the drinking or the drinking allowed the obsession. But it all starts somewhere. It's like this vicious cycle, of course. But this is coming out. And it's coming out. What we didn't want to see, what we didn't want to admit, it's out. All right. I'm going to leave it there because this is just a quick Valentine's. Let's see what your angels and ancestors have to say. Sorry, my whole head, my nose started running my throat. Sorry, I don't have a cold. Hang on a second. Sorry. That's weird. Okay, so angels and ancestors, we're going to get 2 cards. What do you need to know from your angels and ancestors? From yours, ours, your higher self, creator, Father Sky, or God? That one keeps popping. Eagle. See from a higher perspective. Top card? Okay. She-wolf. Unleash the wild within. Oh, boy. Okay, so my question here is, what have you been holding back? Somebody's been holding something back. And so this isn't so much about going crazy, like, maybe it is. It's like allowing your passions. How does this make you feel? How does this, I mean, trusting your instincts. Trusting your instincts is something about embracing unexpected visitors. It's something about instincts. This is part of this challenge, is following your instincts, right? Following your gut, okay? There's a higher perspective here. It's going to teach you how to do something, how to find something. There's guidance here. This is divine guidance. So we've got the eagle is higher perspective. How does this situation serve? Is it allowing you to see what you didn't see before? Is it allowing you to understand that there's justice when you thought there could be none? Is it helping you to understand that you were right all along about something, but you didn't trust yourself? Okay, this is the things that may be coming into play that allow that part, that instinct, the instinct. She-wolf, it's about the instinct, okay? Wolves, they can feel, they're like, they can run in packs, they can be lone wolves, right? Packs, family, with or without, very kind of versatile, but wolf. I don't know if that's somebody's spirit animal. Okay. So, it's a lesson about what wasn't. Where am I at? 13 minutes. Let me just get. It feels like it's a lesson about not trusting ourselves in the past. And it was a big lesson about trusting now. Trusting your instinct. And you know what? You just. Seeing things from a different perspective. Because it's something you knew. You knew this. That's what they're saying. It's like something you knew. Okay, let me just get a couple of quick cards here. I converse with awareness. See, you knew it. Just like 2 cards. Converse with awareness. You probably said that to somebody. I think that this is, I follow my inner guidance. Yes, this is your Valentine message, is you knew it all along. Stop second guessing yourself. Okay? This unexpected visitors, this switch in directions, you probably felt this coming too. Okay? But it's time to trust your instincts. Okay? Because there's a higher perspective. You probably always had the higher perspective. You knew when stuff was coming. You've been divinely guided the whole time. You just didn't trust yourself. Okay? Because you have the balance. When you're in balance, your emotions and your life is in balance, it brings balance around you. But when we are out of balance, I'm just going to say, if this has anything to do with you, when we're drugs or alcohol brings us out of balance, and we kind of get stuck in that 3D world. We get stuck in lower vibrational energy, okay? And we get stuck interacting with people that are in that area too. So if this is about you, whoever this is about, this is going to change your vibration by just shifting. I mean, it's like, hang on for the ride, because here comes your ride. Okay, buckle up. That's it. So, wow. That's incredible. Libra, I love you, and happy Valentine's Day. You know, we're always being looked after and led if we just, have a little bit of an open mind. Wow. Take care. I'll see you in about a week or so. Okay? Bye-bye.